Kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make mashed roast pumpkin and acorn squash. I love the fall and all of the produce that comes in the fall. And of course, I made a pumpkin soup. And I had a couple of roast pumpkin left over, so I figured I also had some acorn squash, so I roasted those, and they're in the oven right now, but we're gonna mash this all together and bake it, and it'll taste absolutely delicious. I'm gonna use butter, light brown sugar, this beautiful kosher sea salt. Regular table salt is fine if you don't have it. Ginger, cinnamon, allspice, and some heavy cream. Bake this in the oven, it'll be perfect side dish.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
So I scooped the flesh out of the acorn squash, and that's right in here. And here is our pumpkin. And just with a spoon or a fork, we're just gonna scrape the flesh right off of the skin and add it to our bowl. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna whisk together the ingredients. So here we have a half a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of butter that is melted, half a cup of light brown sugar, tightly packed, half teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Oh, this smells wonderful. And 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice. We're gonna whisk this all together until combined. With a potato masher, we're gonna mash together the pumpkin and acorn squash and fold in the other ingredients. Using a non-stick cooking spray, you wanna lightly spray your baking pan. Fold together the mashed pumpkin and acorn with the other ingredients. I was about to put this in the oven, and I thought, you know what, it needs a little bit more brown sugar. So just about another 1/4 cup, just sprinkle a little bit more brown sugar on the top, and it will caramelize beautifully. I'm getting into a 350-degree oven. This was in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes, and it looks so good. It smells wonderful. I can't wait to try this. I'm just gonna scoop out a nice portion. Look how hot that is. Can you see the steam coming off of it? And I'm gonna garnish it with some roasted pumpkin seeds. I just roasted them just tossed them with olive oil and kosher salt and put them in a 350-degree oven until they're like golden brown like that. And they taste absolutely delicious. That was so incredibly good. Oh, I cannot wait to eat the rest of that plate. So I hope you enjoyed this mashed roast pumpkin and acorn squash. Don't throw out your pumpkins next time. Roast them and make this recipe. And of course, I garnished it with some roasted pumpkin seeds. It's absolutely delicious. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. Take care, everybody. Bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.